Delete Instagram likes. Hey guys, all good? Leonardo Paiva is back with another video. And in this video, you'll learn how to delete the likes you've given on Instagram. Before that, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Here I make various tutorials always to make things easier for you. So guys, here on the channel there are already more videos from Instagram and also from Facebook, from YouTube. If you have any doubts or questions, I'll leave some playlists on the card right now, which might help you. And in this video, you'll learn how to delete the likes you've given here on Instagram. So let's go guys, this is my Instagram, Mundo Paiva Info. You're very welcome to participate. I'm always posting tips that can help you. So, when you enter your Instagram profile, you're going to click up here on these three lines. Then look for this option guys, your activity. In your activity, there will be an option for likes. So you're going to click here on the first option, likes. And it'll show all the likes you've given on Instagram. You can filter by date by clicking here on all dates. Choose a specific date, a specific week, a specific month. Or you can sort from newest to oldest or oldest to newest here. So I'll sort it here from newest to oldest. I've already selected the post here. And you can select the post that you've made and click down here to remove like. There I have more than one post that I wanted to remove like from that I wanted to take away those likes. So you're going to select all the posts that you want to remove and click down here to remove like. It'll confirm. And that's it guys. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll leave it at that. Big hug, stay with God. Thanks.